car coming? Morning, Albert.
Hi, good morning. Yes.
How are you?
Yeah, great.
Thank you very much for coming to see us on a Saturday.
It's my pleasure. Yes.
There's an ancient brick building we want to have a look at. It looks like an air raid shelter.
Yes. Okay. So we have 30 minutes here, so everyone can feel free, just walk, take a look.
The weather's more pleasant now. The typhoon has taken some of the rubbish away.
I think even with hardwood in
We
Australia,
came here
they
in July, didn't we?
25 years is maximum. But depending on the environment, it can be less. Yeah, but if you, one of our neighbours painted their fence with old sunfoil.
Yes. First the letter, it means flat in Mandarin Chinese. Flat. Yes, and flat. And this one wagon. Yes, wagon.
So they're different.
Flat wagon. Yes, very good. Exactly, perfectly described. So, but how you code it in English? A flat wagon or a flat carriage?
Good question.
Flat wagon?
Flat wagon, yes,
Yes.
I think that would probably be
Well,
similar.
I reckon this one's American.
Do you think
It's got American arch bar trucks on it.
Is it?
The whole design is very American. Oh, right. There's something you need to see here.
Oh yeah, we should smuggle them into Australia. They'd love that.
Have a look. How about that for a corner?
I'm trying to use it so it's just expanded bigger off.
There's only two. There's the Alishan Railway, the hotel. If you want to the visitor,
Very sharp curve on this one.
That's right.
Cool. That is a sharp curve.
Up to you.
Because they're American Indians. Wind the what?
Like coal-fired power plant, right here, solar fired power plant. So there's a power room up there.
想。这种
It's never going to work.
This one is always.
The middle one.
This is the only one that works. And that's the shape of a railway tie.
So what's the difference?
Well, you find out.
You study physics at school. Because that's what it is.
Put this one on, see how it goes.
This one.
It's interesting, the wiring system as well. We've got the power wires in separate wires attached to the insulators on attached to the beam. Possibly, down at Carlton maybe, because originally they had direct current actually in the early part of Melbourne back in about 1900. But then they found when they extended the wiring to North Melbourne, the voltage drop is, with Ohm's law, it's actually too great, and so they decided to go to from the Edison system to the Tesla system of alternating current. There's a wonderful museum in Serbia, in Belgrade, Tesla Museum, and it explains how alternating current works. And he was actually employed by Edison for a while, but they fell out. Yes, yeah.
Yes, in 1970s, logging was banned at that time. So a lot of forestry equipment facilities just were destroyed, yes, or even sold.
Wow.
And yes, because at that moment the forestry industry just
Oh, okay.
you got it? Yes. So now, I think 5 or 6 years ago, when we started, to rebuild this place, and the architecture just found, wow, something special underground. When they just inspect for, deeper and further, they found, wow, before, here, all the basement, all the facilities, yes, so they stopped it. They just stopped the project. Before, in 1970s, when logging was banned, so a lot of forestry workers just worried where their future is. They just worry about their future, their work. So our government, like Forestry Bureau, try to make some educational program in this house to teach them how to use like bamboo to produce like utensils, or for like Japanese wooden knife, and yes, even furniture, because bamboo in Taiwan, is a very good resource, forestry resource. So at that moment, our forestry workers, they just learned a new skill in this place. We call it just a workshop. Yes.
And this cart over there, that's obviously a bullock cart.
Yes.
So common.
Yes. At that time, it was very common. Yes. I can tell you the history. The story about this one. Okay. But before, I have to show you this building first. I like this coffee shop so much.
Oh, do you?
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Are we going in there?
Yes, the flavor is good, and even the price is very reasonable. Yes.
Is it open today?
Yes,
Yes,
open
there's
today.
people.
Yes,
There we
yesterday I came here to make sure whether they they do open.
Are we going in there?
Yes, maybe of
Well,
course.
we'll spend up big.
Yes.
That's what we do.
This morning. Yes, it's free. Yes.
You're not the same person. Can you imagine
Look at that ancient piece down the bottom, eh?
You see, 2663. It means, okay, in Alishan mountain ranges, Tashan is the highest mountain.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So the elevation of the mountain is 2,663 meters high. Yes.
What's Everest is over 5,000, isn't it? 7,000. 8,000.
Kosciuszko 7,000 feet.
Yeah.
No, 8,000.
But Everest is
8.
8,000.
Yeah, it's
8,000
about
metres.
the 14 Himalayan peaks over 8,000 metres.
Yes.
Something like
K-I-L-N.
Yes.
Kiln.
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 And if you ever come here, you smell it? Yes. If you ever come can you notice it? Wow, teacher, the smell is so special.
But what heat source is being used to dry the timber? There's nothing there.
Yes, now just because
It's just air.
Yeah, yes. Right.
Okay.
But actually, you know, some facilities are just gone. So
So there used to be heating.
yes.
Okay. But this is all. Well, this one's bent.
Yes.
So there's a slope.